Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Let's go. Okay.
Happy birthday to you, Lady J. Long life and prosperity, good health, more money into your account. This is D Strings from Ojo. Wishing you happy birthday.
Oh my, that one go for
Oh my god.
Oh, she's blushing.
Wow.
Hey, so what do you have to say to the song rendered to you? A wonderful rendition, I believe.
Thank you very much. And God bless you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I think this is going to be the first time somebody go actually compose a song for my birthday, sing them to me.
Yeah.
At the first time actually. So
I bet you can't catch it for that place.
This string we're
Let's
doing.
give Lady J and catch it.
Now,
Why?
Where are they? No, just to, say when you something they oh my god, thank you so much.
Emotional.
Just say, oh, thank you so much, this string. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, this string go. You say make I feel this. I don't play ammo, and we love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, G Strings. I really appreciate them.
This string of Barbara.
Uncle Barbara. Voila.
All right, yes, 6 minutes now. We welcome up from the hands of 11 o'clock. Lady J, they say when you come live, a lot of people want to see your face. So they say when you come live. Well, 6 minutes down, we'll come up from the hands of 11 o'clock. Tuesday, March 25, 2025. Time don't reach for us to cross the bridge. Well, Lady J, they are Sabbath, one of Nigeria. Of course, your Bunga Money Runs presenters, them. Baker Please and Basic Shows. We still also Shingum with you. Lady, how does it feel adding another year to your years, though?
They're grateful. Just really, really grateful. Grateful for life. Majorly grateful for life. Because 23rd of November for be another thing altogether. So for all of now they say last year. All of now they say make I go live. I don't go live. Joy.panam on top Instagram.
Okay.
So November 23rd, after choir rehearsal, that day I just feel one kind. So after rehearsal, I can't stay for church. I just stay, pray, lie down. In fact, first way I think say I don't forgive people, like I never forgive. You know who?
Okay.
Now that day I can't say, see, whatever the problem be, everything we surround that issue, I don't uproot them from my heart. So I don't release them. I don't let them go. So eventually now I come out, I join person, drop somewhere. So I dey walk out, just they try find keke, make I reach bus stop. From nowhere, this car just come out, brush me. So as he brush me, now come fall. My hand, right hand can't go
that
up.
time your hand is
swollen, can't go up
Yeah, I
like this,
remember
can't come down, hit
Ground.
for ground. So I can't know the initial shock and
Yeah.
pain. So people can't help me stand up. And the person just drive, they go. You know, even turn.
Can you imagine?
You know, so before as I reach house now, the hand
don't swear.
don't swell. In fact, my brother come the first say, I be like say the bone don't shift too. I say it never shift. I don't think say it shift. Come do the first massage. Eventually now then the pain can't they really kick in. I can't they try shake the hand. I can't they get up. If I try sleep, I no feel sleep. I can't they pray. So I can't say I did heal. God don't heal me. No, the thing as in the hand they really swollen. That night, usually I dey do night bath before I go sleep. Now it take me almost 2-3 hours to bath because of I know if it do like this. I know if it do like this. If I do, I go do them very slowly because of the pain. So as at Sunday now, the hand it as in swell. When I go to the medical center for church, they say I need X-ray because they need to know whether wounds your day for inside. And somehow they give me pain reliever. So by 3 that Sunday afternoon, the pain don't subside a bit. I feel holes. I don't feel hold anything. That's not how bad it be. You know. So it's there to get to the point where I nearly won't beg my brother. I say, come bath me.
Wow.
Because if I won't do like this,
The
pain. No, thanks. So on Monday I can't go. They can't do the X-ray. They say okay, no injuries, no fracture. But because of how the hand take hit ground. And what they call muscle trauma, make them swell. So with time,
you go down.
So when I think the whole matter, I'll be like, thank God say it no pass as it day. Because if to say God no day, if for be another thing, if he fling me for
Come
one
on
place,
for-
I can't hit my head, and then that's all. You understand that kind of thing. So when I think of my brother, they very grateful. They thank God for life, for health, for strength, for family, for the things we sometimes things they take for granted.
Yeah.
To hold something na wahala. Even on a right hand na they take chop now. So to even take whole spoon na problem. To put carry the food, raise them up, and put them for mouth. Na problem. I say, I no go fit chop again. All these little things we no look like say it dey important. It dey very important. So I just did thankful, grateful for life. So that one of the things we just in my head. And then when you don't think of things where you don't go through, how God help you, or through all those seasons, you go dey grateful.
You get one song where enter my mind. Gbèsè ọpẹ́ mi pọ̀ mi ò lè sọ tán. Ṣùgbọ́n o síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ èmi yóò ṣe wọ́n tí mo lè ṣe. Bàbá aláàánú mi ẹ má ṣe o bàbá. You don't know that song?
I don't know.
Oh, Chimo, we mean say we dey thank God. Say the gbèsè of your ọpẹ́ is plenty.
Abi?
You know the meaning of gbèsè.
I know gbèsè very well.
Say if you checkmate, how much of the things that God don't give you, it plenty. But wetin you want to do, na to do wetin?
Na to
dey
thank
God.
am,
And we
na to
thank God.
thank
Say
am.
we dey alive to witness this celebration of
Yes,
Lady JJ today. Say when we finish with what's it called? Ogbonge
front pages.
Waiting there with newspaper this morning. They show something to Legbe. Legbe never see that thing before, and they show up. So you get one video allegedly where actually circulates where they talk say some set of women they protest for inside Kogi State. Say that's 250 signatures. They say they sent to INEC, blah blah blah. Say it's not true. Say now something else they tell them. Say they won't come do. Say they don't know. So from waiting allegedly, say I could use that word a lot lately.
Before
So
they go say
you get. So they say they've been sent messages. They've been let everybody waiting for that Kogi Central know. Say they won't do empowerment program for them.
Okay.
Say they won't do empowerment program. So when they won't come register, may they carry their PVC and their NIN. May they carry and come for the center where they go do the empowerment. So plenty people trooped out. People plenty. Where one, they're interested, so they're empowered. So when they can't reach there, they say may they write their PVC number, may they write their NIN, may they write all those things down. So some set of people come talk, say waiting empowerment and PVC. How they take relate. Say if you want to empower people, empower. Which one be they must provide their PVC and their NIN?
What do you want to do with the NIN and the PVC?
We go no.
Okay.
So say waiting the one you say do it, tally at all. Say one of the people come mistakenly go missing yan, can't go yan allegedly. Say they want make people put their PVC, their NIN and signature so that they go use and pass vote of no confidence
in her
and bring Natasha back.
Wow. So now you can't use scope collect all those signatures.
Those things.
Wow.
I know say na PVC they take vote.
Hey.
NIN na your identification number.
Which kind sense be this one? Na sense I been a scam. Big.
So now when those people, they say those women, I see the video. You also see the video.
And the one person come send message, come confirm that then say na so say.
So they don't. So those women can't carry placard, can't they march to their this thing there say it's a lie yo. Say now empowerment. They say they want empower. Say not be waiting. They tell them. Say they want use their signature and PVC do. Not be waiting. They use and do. They use and do at the end of the day. So but right now they don't carry 250 signatures already to INEC. They wait, make INEC recall her. And we don't hear gist. Say now white lion, now they want consent to go represent them for Senate.
Voila.
You know who white lion is?
No.
Say now white lion they want sent allegedly to go represent them.
Even funny because this white lion, even get things about now we be say. When will be good record. Because
I remember during that election, that period, Madam Natasha been trend for some time because she do video where she dey complain. Say the road to where people go vote for her. Say white lion go use all those you go demolish the road where
Spoiler.
people spoil the road so that people no go fit
Go vote
for her. She complain. I saw that video that time where we say she dey complain, say this is not fair. Can you come make them let people decide by themselves? Blah, 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 blah. So as the Batana don't reach INEC now everybody they know say now INEC they go do wetin.
Then go.
Sorry, it's not 250,000 signatures. Sorry, not 250.
No, for the video, people,
oh my God!
crowd plenty
See as I
now.
open mouth, they look. I don't understand.
250,000.
How you go scam people to come day against somebody?
I said the matter don't tire
In
me.
about how many days they don't gather
250,000 just
people.
because people say, "Oh, empowerment! I want them empowered." 9 be this one. Hey,
Now to the ask question now.
So plenty talk on the come say say are we sure? Say because if now the people where we say they suppose empower carry protest, how sure be say no be say now some people go look for. No, you fit frame plenty signature.
Yes,
say because I just dey feel because Baba God to just send them to me say even like say na they deceive those people. Number one, say number two. If for them to carry placard say we no go gree because we no do vote of no confidence for Natasha, where they can't get the 250,000 signatures
now from that empowerment.
No, they take stop because I tell you now say they do protest. Say
Yes,
they don't
go agree. Yes.
So if they don't shout say they no go agree, where they go carry those
250,000.
Yes, because maybe it could maybe
Allegedly.
say some people will be say hunger don't finish them. You know, say Nigeria, person where they hungry can sell his life. You understand? Maybe the ones where we say they very very hungry, they no care. They say, okay, no worry, we go give you 3,000, we go give you 5,000. You just put your signature. I just they think allegedly could maybe before they come for me it could maybe. So say now some set of these people where we say hunger don't wire them, don't finish them, where we say hunger no let them think straight, collect money, sign.
Becca,
Because 250,000 is a lot.
Becca. If people fit, they collect measures of rice and 5K for to vote a candidate. You think say now this one they no go do? Make we dey very very honest and objective.
They vex me because now poverty then they take use against.
So yes, so then no say if these people they don't see poverty, so if they carry any small thing, then give them, then go. I want to put them now.
Because how much be 3,000 naira? How much 5,000?
I don't talk say na the money.
No, I just
talk with the talk. Now make I talk say. Now make I talk say. In as much as yes, all these things now allegedly, but maybe we face the truth. If people feel they collect cloth,
yes, Ankara,
collect
cup of rice,
cup of gari, beans, and 5K for vote to set their vote.
Yeah,
this one you think say they no go do am? It go take unless they don't make up their mind say, hey, I no go do am again, stand their ground. But you and I know say.
It does get the way because the woman, despite the fact that they suspend her for 6 months, you know, so you see they do something for the gossip. We still talking. Was it Monday or last week?
No, this week.
This week, she don't care. Say they don't suspend them. She still they do what she supposed to do for her constituency. So I think now why some of the people in the constituency talk say they know they agree because they say Madam Natasha, she's a very good woman. She's doing everything what we say she's supposed to do. But now see, I don't go lie, Lady J. I dey run from politicians. I'm sorry.
No be only you.
I dey run.
No be only you.
I dey run from politicians.
No be only you.
The moment I meet somebody, I say, "Oh, what do you do?" You say, "Oh, I'm a politician." I'm like, okay, I don't go because he gets some this. Okay, at the same time, they try to take careful. Make person no go talk something we go. But for me, there was one politician guy where I meet single guy where he asked me out at that time. I told him immediately. Immediately told me saying, "Na politician be." I told him I'm not interested. He asked me why. Becca, I really like you. I said, I got me say. He can't say, oh, you don't want to be the first lady. I'm going to be the governor of so state. Said, good for you.
Even myself, and I know
That's
the
what I tell am,
envy. You know, dealing with that, we say when did they say you're going to be the first lady? Most times, waiting these ladies they look at now the glamour.
We come with them.
We come with them first. Her Excellency,
Person,
the
open
first
door.
I am
lady.
Excellency in my room.
See, if you know the wahala where they
I am an Excellency in my room.
hey.
I can't. I told the guy. I said I don't want. He said you don't want make it there inside history. So you, the first lady of Kiniko. I said, guy, I don't want.
You see, and when you they talk that kind of thing, that's a very wrong mindset.
I know.
To look this whole.
I
When
know.
they talk about the guy when go they say you don't want to be the first lady, so they will can't use this first lady take care, wine some ladies and
go
all
use
the
am woo
how
you.
to be the first lady. How then go they dress in fine
I'm
clothes?
sorry,
They
oh.
waka.
No.
Your Excellency, they go address and
If
your
you be
Excellency,
politician in another
No.
country, maybe I fit think. In another country.
Politician.
But the game is different in each of the countries, we all know. Same Minister of Power, Naija Yan, say federal government don dey set to learn power generation and transmission from Egypt. So they come dey say national grid say make we prepare, say e go reach 2 million times.
2 million times.
Yes.
Wait,
Say e go reach
wait.
2 million times wey go still
How you go
collapse.
say 2 million times? What
So-
be 2 million? That
1,
na-
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I know now, but
1 million,
how?
1 million, 1 million,
Ah,
2. 1 million.
How many days? How many days a year? 365 days. So I go reach 2 million.
Maybe in a week, if you collapse like more than 100 times.
Ew.
Because
So
I
you
don't
go reach
understand.
2 million.
Because as I see and say grid go still collapse too. See, this is the way we dey laugh. It's not funny.
It's
oh.
not funny.
But at the same time, it's funny. I no go lie to you because this our grid will so. I just don't understand. Like I don't understand. At a point, I say make them go do CPR. Make the people with the electricity this make them dey let to go and do CPR. So as they collapse, they go just do CPR for her. CPR. They press the chest. 1, 2, 3 till you reach 30. I think say na 30 they do for adults. Children are 15 abi or 20 sometimes. I don't know. You understand? Because when I see this news, the first because people don't even complain about this minister of power. People don't they complain before him. How many times did grid collapse before?
Collapse as many
him?
times as we don't experience in the last 1 year, be 2 years now. It just they really sad. So as it is now, me will be say at a point. They first of all, them forcefully put all of us for band A. By force, by fire, put all of us for there.
But
We never reach. Now the lights they go, and now
forcefully.
yeah, now we not ask today band A.
Before they put you for band A, how many hours and they take you to get lights? Before you know about band A.
Kai, I know remember, but I know say it not there as much as
Now.
I said they get benefit now.
So you know they're happy now. Say you did the band A.
the bad thing I say in as much as okay yes the band A light they
Yeah,
but
22 hours.
the expenses
It go
now
pay,
10,000 naira worth of light maybe 142 units now na 44 units.
Wow. It's crazy.
It's crazy. Now what I they talk be that
crazy.
first of all them by force put us for that band A, then now because of the frequency of light I don't leave the gen. So as it is now all this national grid collapse, I don't the fact of my mind say, madam, go pick up that your gen, clean and where we carry am go for organizer, make because I never use them for more than a year. I no go lie you.
Your generator.
My generator. I never
But
use
they
am.
service am, sha.
So now the service
because
we need to
exactly.
service
Make it no
now.
go
If
spoil.
this grid will collapse as many times as possible, make we kuku just prepare ourselves. So we go they use gen.
Okay. Please let me please give Lady J that song. Which song?
Which song go?
Which
They
song
send
go?
you song to play for Lady J.
I don't know. I know the song go.
Nah, Lady, don't be small. Some people say they still they compose song for you. Today not today.
Wow, today not today.
Maybe yeah, if another person sing. Maybe yeah, this one a song too.
Happy birthday to Lady J.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Aww.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh wow.
Happy birthday
Oh, God.
to you.
Oh wow. Oh
Happy
God.
birthday to you, Queen Lady J. Wishing you long life, prosperity, good health, good wealth, more and more money to your account.
Amen.
Amen.
Wishes and everything good you wish for yourself.
Amen.
Wishing you a blissful birthday.
Amen.
I love you so much.
Aww.
Birthday one.
Okay.
This is Angel from VI. Love you so much, Lady J.
Oh, love you too, Angel.
Collect the peg
Thank
for
you.
your light chic, Lady J. Another one day.
Hey, good.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
May the good Lord.
Another person done the
May
part.
the good Lord.
Okay.
May the good Lord bless you.
Amen.
Lady JJ, the Assam Pete one of Naija FM. I'm wishing you long life and a very prosperous new year.
Amen.
I wish you good health, more money in your account.
Amen.
I wish you all the
Amen.
good
Amen.
things of life. I
Amen.
wish you all your heart desires in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Have a lovely and blessed day. Love you.
Love you too. Thank you so much.
All right, and that one will be all right now. Yes, 11:30 don't start at attention. Time don't reach for us to pack our load, come up from inside the studio. You go see me tomorrow, but let's bet it Thursday. You get why?
Yes, I go date tomorrow for
Gragra Express.
Gragra Express. I'm
Yeah.
go there for tomorrow morning for
Morning runs.
morning runs. And don't worry, make it join me for tomorrow evening on top Gragra Express
With us, Sam. All right, so Fedro don't enter. Time don't reach for tinkling
Yes, so she
news.
don't enter with her green
Yes,
dress.